The Master3DGage system consists of the portable arm itself and a Windows computer running Verisurf software. In a previous exercise, we saw how to install the software. In this video, we'll see how to unbox and set up the arm and how to connect it to the computer. The arm case contains the Master3DGage, cables for power and communication, counterweights, and a reference bar. The probe is stored in a zippered case, which is placed in the slot at the left end of the arm case. We remove the arm from the case by lifting, as shown, to avoid placing strain on the joints. The arm is then placed on the inspection table, typically a granite slab or steel plate, with the second tube resting in the home position cradle. Finally, the counterweight is placed on the arm by clipping it onto the mounting pins and then lowering it into position. If we're mounting the Master3DGage on a steel table, we can lock it to the table using the magnetic clamps on the base by turning each clamp roughly 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. On a granite slab, we can use hot glue or a similar adhesive to temporarily fasten the arm base to the granite. Next, we'll mount the probe on the Master3DGage. To begin, we'll flip open the clamping lever and rotate it to the unlocked position. We'll then insert the probe with the serial number facing us, turn the clamp to the locked position, and flip the clamping lever back into the stowed position. We'll complete the setup by connecting the power and data cables to the Master3DGage. First, we'll remove the dust caps from the ports on the back of the arm base. We'll then line up the red mark on the power plug with the mark on the port and snap the plug into place. Let's repeat for the data cable, plugging it into the larger port. To remove the plugs, we pull back on the knurled knob to release them. Finally, we can plug the communication cable into the Ethernet port on the computer and then plug the power cable into a wall outlet. We turn on the Master3DGage using the power button on the front of the arm's base. The lights above the power button illuminate to show the battery level and network status. We'll complete the exercise by testing communication with the Master3DGage. With Verisurf running, we'll choose the Measure Manager and open the Device Manager. When we installed the VDI, we chose the Master3DGage as Device 1, so it should appear in the Device Manager. Let's choose Start to initiate communication. The Master3DGage is now configured to measure in Verisurf. In the next exercise, we'll calibrate the probe. To see the difference, visit us at verisurf.com.